me back to the night we met. And then I can't tell myself what the hell I'm supposed to do.
Guys, begitu banyak momen pahit dan manis dalam hajatan UFC 311 yang terabadikan, terutama gagalnya klan Khabib untuk menambah warisan di timnya. Ya, Umar Nurmagomedov gagal meraih kemenangan ketika melawan Merab. Ada momen menarik tapi mungkin juga terlihat menyedihkan ketika Bruce Buffer mengumumkan kartu skor setelah laga 5 ronde itu pertandingan. Khabib awalnya berdiri membelakangi tetapi kemudian berbalik setelah ketiga skor dibacakan dan diketahui hasilnya keputusan angka mutlak. Setelah mengusap wajahnya dengan kedua tangan, Khabib mencoba mengambil sabuk juara dari bos UFC Dana White. Namun Khabib menarik tangannya kembali setelah Bruce Buffer di akhir maklumatnya menyebutkan bahwa juara kelas bantam masih tetap di Marcin Merab Dvalishvili.
Конечно, был расстроен, да, как я скажу, конечно, был расстроен, но сразу зашел, сказал, фокусируйся на своем бое, не думай об этом, мы потом обсудим. Все, мы еще даже разговаривали, Khabib пришел после Умара боя в раздевалку, и мы вместе пошли к октагону, и Khabib поехал, наверное, к доктору с Умаром.
Dengan hasil yang diterima, Khabib beri pesan yang berbeda untuk kedua muridnya yang melakoni pertarungan perebutan gelar. Khabib tetap memberikan semangat terhadap Umar setelah gagal dalam percobaan pertamanya untuk menjadi juara UFC. Tetap semangat Junior, kemarin kamu menunjukkan bahwa kamu adalah salah satu yang terbaik di dunia. Saat ini kami memiliki sesuatu untuk dikerjakan. Kami akan memperbaiki kesalahan dan kembali ke perebutan gelar. Kekalahan Umar setidaknya terobati dengan kemenangan dua petarung sasananya yaitu Tagir Ulanbekov dan Islam Makhachev. Tak lupa juga, Khabib melanjutkan pesannya untuk Makhachev dalam postingan yang sama. Hal yang tak terduga lainnya adalah saat Umar memberitahu tangannya patah dalam pertarungan pada ronde pertama berjalan dan sebagian menganggap itu hanya alasan saja. Tangan patah itu benar-benar dialami Umar Nurmagomedov. Manajer Umar, Ali Abdelaziz, telah mengunggah foto keadaan tangan Umar dan juga sedikit berpesan. Umar mematahkan tangannya di ronde pertama, tapi itu bukan alasan. Sekali lagi bukan alasan. Alhamdulillah atas hari ini. Dari banyaknya momen-momen cerita di tim Khabib, Merab pun membuka suara. Disebut Raja Tega, Umar kembali dipermalukan Merab di luar oktagon pada ungkapannya dalam sesi wawancara setelah pertarungan.
I break my back during the training camp, and it was some days I cannot get up from the bed, and I was laid down, and I don't have a training camp, and I don't have a Khabib Nurmagomedov to help me to training, and then some days PI was closed. It was Christmas, and it was New Year's and weekends, and every time. Not every time, but it happened a couple of times. Umar was there and the security, but I'm sorry, we cannot let you go in. And I'm not making this excuse. You're a fucking fighter and you gotta find a way to win or whatever. It may happen, maybe, I don't know. But like, after he disrespect me, he says so many bullshit things. I don't know. I mean, as a fighter, I respect him, but I mean, I don't know. God bless him, you know, I wish him all the best. But, you know, it's a fight. And then, guess what? Who broke his hand?
Adapun Makhachev sendiri dalam wawancara setelah pertarungannya.
Honestly, it was hard. I tried to warm up, but I still watching all fights, you know, and make me a little bit sad. But Umar looking good, you know. Umar still young, still hungry, you know. He have time because he still young. He makes some mistakes, you know, in this fight, and Merab did his job very well, and they have close fight. You know, Umar not take some damage. He landed good shots, but it's okay. He broke his arm also, and 100%. I think he will come back because he's young, still hungry, and he's gonna be UFC champion one day, inshallah. Honestly, one of the big night for our team, you know. But you know, I'm not like not so happy about the victory because Omar lost, honestly, you know. But it's okay. Some of the day we win, some of they lose, and always we say thank God, alhamdulillah. And I know Omar gonna come back, and from our team we have many small killers, you know, who are gonna come to UFC, and they're gonna have some success because we all our team about hard work, you know. We're training more than everybody, and we deserve to be here, deserve fight for the title, and I know many more guys come to UFC from our team.
Ditambah lagi satu klaim yang mengejutkan dari Merab untuk tim Khabib, di mana Merab dengan lantang mengatakan bahwa teman sparringnya jauh lebih hebat daripada Umar dalam hal gulat, dan juga jauh lebih baik dari nama-nama Nurmagomedov lainnya. This is Merab, guys.
And Umar Nurmagomedov talking trash. Oh, Merab will pull out. I won't be surprised if Merab pull out. I'm like no. I'm not gonna pull out, you know. I'm never pull out. I wasn't care. I was fighting Nurmagomedov undefeated. I know I was gonna come and just do my fight. And I wanna also say thank you especially for Aljamain Sterling. I think Aljamain Sterling is so much better than Nurmagomedov's wrestling, you know. Like I don't know if I say right. Yeah, Aljamain Sterling's wrestling is another level. Like, and I don't see from nobody. And then I believe Aljamain Sterling can beat all the Nurmagomedovs together with the respect, you know, because Aljo is the good.
Dan berita untuk Arman Tsarukyan yang keluar karena cedera menjelang pertarungan membuat bos UFC kecewa. Maka dari itu White ingin menepikan Tsarukyan terlebih dahulu dan tidak akan menjadi lawan Makhachev dalam pertahanan gelar berikutnya.
What do you do with him at this point? I mean, do you automatically rebook him in the next title fight? Do you go back to the drawing board?
No. Yeah, he's going back to the drawing board. I don't want anybody to ever fight hurt, ever. You know, we've been in these positions before. Went down there with the doctor. Went down there with Heather from the PI, who is, you can ask any fighter or anybody else, she's the best in the world. And you know, you miss opportunities sometimes, and he did. So we'll see how this plays out for him next year.
You feel like he could have competed? You feel like he could have competed tonight?
I have no idea. I don't know that. Only he knows that.
You said going back to the drawing board with Arman. Kind of tell us about what that looks like. What are you going to kind of envision?
I don't know. He's not getting a title shot, so that means he's going to have to fight his way back to the title.
Lain dari Khabib yang menuai rasa hormat untuk Arman dan mendoakannya agar segera bangkit kembali.
I just want to wish him all the best. You know, he's young, he's tough, he can come back. He have to survive this situation and come back.
So guys, gimana dengan pendapat kalian semuanya? Tinggalkan komentar di bawah ya. Like video ini and see you next time.